How to check balance on TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon or the menu button in the top left corner to access your account settings. Scroll down and look for the My Wallet section. Here you will see your current TextNow balance, including any available calling credits or remaining funds. If you have a paid subscription or recently purchased credits, the balance will reflect these additions. You can also check for any upcoming charges or auto-renewals in this section to avoid unexpected deductions. Keeping track of your balance ensures you never run out of credits when making calls or sending text. Knowing your TextNow balance helps you manage calls, text, and credits efficiently. Now you know how to check your balance on TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.